How to plant egg banana for high yields. To maximize the production of egg banana, there are several steps to practices to get a good results, and these should be considered to apply. 1. Cultivation measures and selection. Good variety. Choose a variety of egg banana that is known for its high yield and disease resistance. 2. Soil preparation. Cultivated land. Choose soils with a neutral pH, slightly alkaline to reduce the occurrence of harmful microorganisms. For egg bananas, thrive in well-drained soil with a pH level between 6 and 7. Add organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility and drainage. 3. Pit treatment before planting. Spray lime, compost, manure, along with trichoderma processing products into the pits to prevent disease. 4. Treat seedlings before planting. Trimming the roots at the base of the seedlings and dipping them in a solution of Bordeaux or copper for 10 to 15 minutes to get rid of the source of the disease. 5. Planting. Plant egg banana suckers or tissue-cultured plantlets in holes or trenches with a spacing of about 4-5 m between plants. Ensure that the planting depth is appropriate, leaving the bud slightly above the soil surface. 6. Irrigation. Provide regular and adequate water to the plants, especially during dry periods. Egg bananas require consistent moisture to support their growth and fruit production. 7. Water management. Set up a drainage system so that rainwater and irrigation water does not leak to the surface and does not overflow from the field to the field. The soil moisture level should not be too high for a long time. 8. Fertilizer application. Apply fertilizers rich in potassium, K2O, to promote healthy growth and fruit development. Banana plants have a high potassium requirement, so regular fertilization is important. 9. Care after planting. Care needed after planting. During the maintenance process, use compost, apply enough fertilizer, balance NPK fertilizer in the bottom and apply compost, reduce the application of ammonia, NH4, fertilizer, replace with nitrate, NO3, fertilizer. Disinfect. Lime fertilizer should be applied before planting. Add lime to the planting process to improve the pH level in the soil. 10. Field hygiene. Diligently inspect, cut off old leaves, remove yellow leaves suspected of disease and burn, dry and burn. When diseased banana trees are found, they are cut down, dug up and collected and burned completely. 11. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the plants to conserve soil moisture, suppress weed growth, and provide a steady supply of nutrients as it breaks down. 12. Pest and disease management. Regularly monitor the plants for pests such as banana weevils and diseases like Panama disease and Sigatoka leaf spot. Implement appropriate control measures, including cultural practices and organic or chemical treatments if necessary. 13. Biological measures. Irrigate or spray trichoderma processing products with manure before planting or irrigate the banana root area to prevent yellowing of the banana leaves, fusarium wilt, called Panama diseases. Infected bananas are yellow from the old leaves at the bottom, then spread to the young leaves gradually. 14. Chemical measures. Herbal remedies. From the list of herbal remedies is approved with the active ingredient Zeneb, propiconazole, difenoconazole to prevent fungal infections. 15. Harvesting. Egg bananas are typically harvested when the fruits are fully mature but still green. Wait for the fruit to reach its full size and the peel to develop a yellowish tinge before harvesting. Cut the bunches with a clean, sharp knife, leaving a portion of the stem intact. Following these practices can help you achieve maximum production of egg bananas. Remember to consult local agricultural extension services or experts for specific recommendations tailored to your region and conditions.